Guys and girls, it's Know It time!
Your lesson today is going to be on multiplying fractions. Hands up if you did multiplying fractions before in grade 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Probably half the class. The other half the class, I don't know what you did in grade 7. Multiplying fractions. Guys, gals, it's Know It time. 1, 2. Half of you said you did multiplying fractions in the past. I want to see exactly what you remember. Example 1. I want you to solve this for me, please. What's 1/2 times 4/5? I'm going to pause it, let you try this on your own. I'm going to walk around. I walked around, and a lot of you say, hey, Mr. No, this is easy. Why don't I just do this? Multiply straight across. And you want 4/10. Because, Liam, what's 1 times 4? 4. 2 times 5 is? 10. And that's where a lot of people... And I walked around and I said no to you. Hands up if you can figure out why is this wrong. Sorry? Cross is correct, but you didn't do one thing. You guys didn't reduce it. You gotta take it all the way down. You can't just stop right there and say, Miss No, I'm done. Guys, gals, you gotta reduce this. Reduce. You can never leave your answer in unread. Always take it to as low as you can go. Dupreet, what's 4/10 in reduced form gonna be? 2. This is full correct. That's the best answer you can get. If you leave it in this form, I'm going to tell you I will reduce half a mark. You will lose half a mark if you don't reduce it. But let's show you now steps to success, how to work with multiplication. Steps to, hands up if you have never done multiplication before in elementary school math. Multiplication of fractions? Everyone did, okay. Steps to multiplying fractions. Or should I call it my steps to success? Steps to success. Double C, double S, and you always succeed. When you multiply fractions, I actually created a little dance. It's a famous dance. Every grade 8 who goes through the school remembers the dance all the way to grade 12. And whenever they multiply, they do the dance. Okay? If you can remember the dance, you can multiply fractions. Here's the dance. I'll show you the dance in a second. Starts as reduce up / down first. Okay, we're going to go up and down. Keep it simple, just up and down. 2. Reduce diagonally. So once you go up and down, you're going to do diagonally. Okay? Up, down, diagonally. That's all we're going to do. 3. Multiply straight across. So what you're going to do is you're going to multiply straight across. And finally 4. High 5. So all we're going to do, keep it simple. Okay? I'm going to give you that question again. I'm going to walk you how to do this. 1/2 times 4/5. Guys, gals, so let's look up and down. Forget about the 4/5. 1/2. Rajan, can I reduce 1/2 any further? No. So this side is done. Okay, nothing new. Tyro, can I reduce 4/5 anymore? So this side is done. Now what we're going to do is reduce diagonally. So diagonally, watch what I'm going to do. Look at 2 and 4. Is there a number that can divide both 2 and 4 by? Aldrin. 2. So guys and gals, I want you to go right now, divide both of these numbers by 2. So you go 4, cross out the 4. 4 divided by 2, Sufian, what's 4 divided by 2? 2. See, I want you to rewrite this, cross out right now. Joey, I'm going to cross out this 2. What's 2 divided by 2, Joey? Sorry? 1. Now, I'm going to look at the other diagonal. See, there's 2 diagonals you got to work with. 1 and 5. Dupree, can I reduce 1 and 5 in any way? No. So write down what you have right now. I have 1 over 1 times 5 is still the same. Charlene, what goes on top of the 5 now? 2. Hey guys and gals, now what we're going to do, I want you to go ahead and multiply straight across. 1 times 2. 2. 1 times 5. If you did everything correctly, you will never have to reduce in the end. Some of you say, Mr. Why do we need to do this? Sometimes the numbers get too large. If you try to multiply, it won't work. Try to do this question on your own. Example 2. Good luck. What if I give you 15 over 35 times 21 over, and we'll call this 10. Would you agree if I let you try to do this on your own and multiply straight across, it's going to be so hard you can't do it with a calculator? Guys, gals, I'm going to pause it. I want you to start the answer now. Up and down. Reduce up and down. 15 and 35. They cancel very nicely. There's a number that can divide both 15 and 35. Eeny, meeny, miny, harmony. What is it? 5. See what? Look what I'm going to do. Cross it out. If I divide this by 5, would you agree? You have 3 up here. Good joke. What would I have on the bottom? What's 35 divided by 5? 7. Because I'm dividing each one of these, so this now becomes 7. I'm going to do the exact same thing for 21. See? Up and down first. 21 over 10. Rachel, what number? Oh, sorry. Can I divide 21 and 10 in any way? No. So what I'm going to do, guys, to make things a lot nicer, let's rewrite what I have right now. I have 3 over 7 times 21 over 10. See, very nice. No tricks. Now, I cross out diagonally. If I look at it, there's only one way I can reduce diagonally. And, Navneet, what number can divide both 7 and 21? Sorry? 7 is correct. So this now becomes a 3, and this becomes a 1. What? How? So now we go ahead and multiply. 3 times 3 is 9 over 10. See how easy I made the problem? If I ask you, if you multiply straight across, you won't do it. It's going to be too hard. But if you take your time and do that. Question. How do I get 1 there? Hang on. Good question. Now, let's write down my original one, what I have right now. Would you agree before I had 21 and this was the 7? Now, Navneet says you can reduce both of these diagonally, because remember we do diagonal next. What number can go into 7 and 21? 7. So 21 divided by 7 is 3. Agree? 7 divided by 7 is a 1. So this becomes 3 over 1 times 3 over 10. That's why. Guys, a few more questions for you to practice like this. This is called multiplying fractions. Nothing too bad. Try this, please. If you multiply straight across right away, you will get yourself into a lot of trouble. Example 3. Good luck. After this, I'm going to do the supernova question. This is going to be 36 over 20 times 18 over 2. If you try to multiply straight across right away, it's going to be extremely hard. Guys and gals, before I start, again, remember, start up and down right away. And I just played the game. What number can divide up and down? Furby, what number can go into 36 and 20? 4. So let's reduce this by 4. I go with 36 divided by 4. That gives you 9. 20 divided by 4 gives you 5. Now, I look at the right-hand side. 2 and 18. Devin, what number can go into 2 and 18? 2. So watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to cross this out. Cross this out. I'm going to divide both top and bottom by 2. Because Devin says, hey, Miss Snow, I can divide this by 2. And that gives me 1 over 9. So let's rewrite what you have right now. I have 9 over 5 times 1 over 9. Robin, what do I do now? Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. No, no. What's the dance? Do the dance for me. Up, down? Diagonally. So which one can you cancel out?
9 and 9.
The 9. See, look. I look at diagonally. And I can see that both of them can divide by 9. So I'm going to divide this by 9. Divide this by 9. And would you agree? This cancels out. What are you left with, Robin, on top?
1.
1. And what are you left with here?
1.
1. Again, I like to rewrite things again. So you have 1 over 5 times 1 over 1. See how easy it is? I turn something complex into something easy. Guys and gals, supernova question for today. Good luck. Let's see how many of you can figure out what to do without my help. I'm going to give you 4 minutes to figure this out. I'm going to walk around soon. Your question is going to be 20 over 18 times 18 over 20 times 3 over 5. Actually, I'm going to change one thing a bit. 3 over 15. Guys and gals, let's see how many you can take it to the next step, following exactly what I've been showing you. Good luck. I'm going to pause it. So I walked around and maybe 60% of you got this question correct. Now, the question error lies, they must know, what do you do when you have 3 fractions? If you have 3 fractions, guys and gals, I want you to cover up the last fraction. Imagine it's not there. Okay, so I'm going to rewrite only the first 2 fractions right now. 20 over 18 times 18 over 20. I'm only going to look at the first 2. We're going to cross, reduce, and cross, and just multiply straight across. If you reduce, you should have 10 over 9 times 9 over 10. And then look what happens when you cancel diagonally. Everything cancels out very nicely. See? Toot, toot. This is a 1. This is 1. This is a 10. Cancels out. Hey, you're just left with 1 over 1. Now we take 3 over 15. And again, I like to reduce. If you reduce this down, you have 1 over 1 times 1 over 5. Guys and gals, your answer is 1 over 5. That's it. Okay. All it is a game of reducing up, down, diagonal, and cross multiply, or just multiply straight across.